Julia!
So today we're gonna make delicious pad thai. How do you say it?
Pad Thai.
Pad thai.
I like it like that.
So for this recipe, you're gonna need fresh vegetables, carrots, peppers. We like to use red and yellow onions, and even green peppers and broccoli.
We will also need homemade seitan. We actually made a recipe video doing this, so you can click on the link somewhere here to check it out. And we're also gonna be doing a sauce for this pad thai. And we're gonna be needing maple syrup. We're gonna be needing peanut butter,
soy sauce. And then we also got this coconut liquid aminos. These are a little bit higher in calories. This is lower in calories, so you can use either or depending on if you want to eat more calories or fewer calories. I think it tastes a little bit better with this one, but it's a sacrifice, you know. More calories tastes better. Fewer calories tastes really good, but fewer calories.
Yes, and also we're gonna have ginger, lemon or lime. I don't know how you,
lime.
and garlic.
Lime and garlic.
Excellent.
So how do we start?
We're gonna start.
Where's my apron?
Where's your apron? Where do you put it? Transformation complete. All right, so we're gonna start by chopping the onion. We're gonna do everything by steps.
How do you want me to chop it?
So we're gonna peel, first layer, we're gonna peel it. And I want for you to do long pieces and thin. Excellent. We're gonna heat a pan and we're gonna put the onion first with a little bit of oil, and we're gonna be doing that with order with the vegetables. We wanna be cooking the ones that take longer first, and then add at the end the ones that require very little cooking. We spray a little bit of oil, we let it sit for a moment. Now which one you think is the one that needs to be cooked the more? Broccoli. Yes. So we're gonna take the stem. We're not gonna be using this one. And then we're gonna, I like to make them quite small just so they're easier to cook. Again, just like you did with the, just on like vertical. Perfect. You want them long pieces. These were obviously all previously washed and disinfected, so make sure you do that with your veggies. And while all of this is cooking, we also have a big pot with water because we need to boil water in order to get the noodles ready. Excellent. So let's do this size because I don't know if that's gonna be a big enough pan with all the veggies. So we dump the broccoli and we let this cook. So we're gonna let those sit before we're gonna do that. You take the top off from the carrots and you slice just like that. You're a poor baby. Isn't he so sexy cooking? Like I love mommy cooking me a meal.
Not used to that.
What we add the carrots. While this is getting done, we're gonna be doing the sauce, which is the most important element for this plate. We're gonna be having 150 grams either of the liquid aminos or that.
We use this one.
Yeah.
That one has a lot of calories.
All right, so let's do slightly less. Let's do like 80 grams. We will need...
It's 100.
It's Julian's kitchen right now, so he is in charge.
It's almost one full bottle.
All right, so we're gonna have 50 grams of peanut butter inside of this. You want a peanut butter, obviously, that is not super sweet. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of these. So 2.
And this is 0 calorie maple syrup.
Ginger next. We need to peel it a little bit. Yes, that's true. And we also need the garlic.
How much of this?
That's gonna be till it smells delicious. Y eso, exacto, ese lado es donde más.
What do you want to do?
Okay, you're gonna mix it and then you're gonna smell it and see if it smells gingery.
Gingery enough. then garlic. What else? Lime?
Limón, sí, pero déjame ver cómo huele. Julia!
Oops! All of it?
Yeah. Perfect. Sí, está bien. Alright, so we're finishing with the peppers as they take really, really little time to cook.
How do you want it? Okay, now we're gonna cook the noodles. I can open them.
Alright,
3-minute timer.
3-minute timer.
You need a little bit longer.
A little bit longer.
Yeah. So we're using noodles that are very high in calories, but if you're on a diet, what you can do is instead of using this type of noodles, you can get konjac noodles on Amazon, and they go so low in calories. They're like 34 calories or less per pack, and that's 200 grams per pack, and you can have a very low calorie plate. So you can use this if you want the carbs and the calories. If you're on a diet, get the konjac noodles and just replace this with the konjac noodles and use everything else. I improve my technique and not burn myself this time. One more minute.
Okay. Puede con esto.
So now we're gonna just
Actually start cooking.
cook everything again. Just in one plate. So we're gonna do 80 grams of noodles because she wants a smaller serving. So we'll just do 80 grams.
Bueno, si quieres hacerla completa. Bien. Sí. That's 45 grams of carbs.
We're gonna use, this whole block has 50 grams of protein. Again, if you wanna know how to make the seitan, check out the video. So we're gonna use half for her because she only wants 25. With half of this, we chop it into small pieces. I'll dump it into the same pan we're making the whole plate.
And now we're gonna add the sauce into everything
How
together.
much you want? We're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Eso.
Thank you. Good to go. So this plate has around 45 grams of carbs, a little bit more probably because of the vegetables and oops.
No
And
con
the
el
sauce. And it has 25 grams of protein from the seitan. And we're just
And
using
like-
one ingredient.
Like 10 grams of fats from the peanut butter. Cilantro.
And some lime.
And this plate is done. Kiss the chef. What? Thank you, baby.
Oh, we'll take it. Guys, I want you to look here. This was supposed to be for our cameraman, Enrico. He's trying to gain weight. He never finishes his food. He left all the waffles.
Muy bien.
Oh my God.
Well, that's all. I hope that you enjoyed these plates and you follow us for more vegan recipes.